How to post a picture on Instagram comment. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Instagram application on your device. So just go for Play Store application and search for the Instagram application. Now as you can see, it is updated and I have the latest version of the application. So I'm going to just tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of the Instagram application. So just make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, you can just go to any of the photo. So after going to for any photo or video, you can just tap on the comment section at the bottom and you can tap on the comment section over here. So as you can see, there's no option of adding a picture on Instagram comment. You either have your words or your stickers over here, your emojis, or you can also add GIFs for your comment. When you tap on GIF, and you can just see different stickers and GIFs over here. So you cannot post a picture on Instagram comment. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.